na-transmit na po nung office ni Secretary General Shelley Grapil po yung impeachment complaint versus VP Sara. May winaw lang po, meron na po bang at this point alam po namin medyo mahaba pa meron na bang preparation na ginagawa ang Senado in case na maiakyat po sa Senado ang impeachment versus VP Sara?
The Senate is always ready. Kasi part of our job yan eh. Kasama sa rules namin yan. Meron din kaming approved rules of impeachment dati. It's still there. It's standing. All we have to do is ratify it again if ever we receive any articles of impeachment. Okay. As far as I'm concerned naman, I am being briefed by some justices friends because I would want to concentrate on how to be the presiding officer of an impeachment court pagdating sa rules of evidence at saka sa rules on criminal procedures. Yun ang pinakamahalaga lang naman sa ano eh. Yun ang pinakamahalaga sa impeachment eh. Um, Kailangan maliwanag ang pananaw mo sa rules of evidence dahil maraming magagaling na abogadong magpapasa ng kung ano-ano sa iyo at sa court. And then yung rules on criminal procedures. Yun, I'm preparing for that, being the presiding officer. Now, whether I'm the presiding officer or not, sapagkat pagka-presidente ang ini-impeach, yung Chief Justice ang presiding officer. Still, as a member of the Senate and as a member of the impeachment court, you have to be prepared. Sapagkat hindi porke presiding officer, let's say yung presiding officer ay merong gustong i-sustain na objection, ayaw ng mga member. Ang member ng masusunod, yung court ang masusunod, hindi yung presiding officer. So kailangan, as a senator, alam mo din dapat yung mga rules. As a senator, you must be aware of whether you're a lawyer or not, you must be aware of what is acceptable in rules of evidence. Yung mga gano'n. Kaya kahit regular senator ka lang, you must prepare in case there is articles of impeachment that reaches us.
SP, nabanggit niyo po na may nagbi-brief na sa inyo ng mga justices, sino-sino po ba yan? Pwede ba nating i-reveal? And kailan pa po kayo nag-start magpa-brief?
Well, as of now, tatlo, dalawang CA, dalawang taga-CA, saka isang taga-CTA. I mean, CA, Court of Appeals,
Yes, sir.
yung isa taga-Court of Tax Appeals. Huwag na natin magitin mga pangalan at baka, di ba?
Kailan po kayo nag-start?
Kaya naman, nakikisama na nga.
Kailan po kayo nag-start, sir, noon?
Siguro mga 2 weeks na. 2 weeks na. In fact,
Apo.
I had one yesterday.
Apo. SP,
Briefing. Ako naman siyempre, basa ng basa. Tapos briefing kasi may mga bagay na hindi mo matututunan sa libro eh. Ganyan.
Apo. SP, alam po namin na sobrang veterano na po kayo sa mga impeachment proceedings, ilang impeachment na napagdaanan nyo. Pero ano po magiging kaibahan? Let's say, siyempre nga, kayo po ang magiging presiding officer this time and non-lawyer po kayo compared dun sa mga dati po nag-preside. Ano po magiging kaibahan ng magiging pamumuno nyo sa impeachment court?
Wala naman akong nakikitang dapat maging kaibahan sapagkat kahit nanong si Chief Justice Fernandang, sino ba?
Davide.
Si Chief Justice Davide ang presiding officer at saka si Senator Juan Ponce Enrile presiding officer. They follow the procedures Ganun naman kailangan gawin mo. You follow the procedures. At saka kapag may controversial, you throw it to the body. So wala akong nakikita ng pagkakaiba dapat. Ganun din yun. More or less.
Sir, kung naghahanda na po kayo, yung mga other senators, at least sa majority, naghahanda na rin po ba sila?
Most probably.
And sir,
I cannot answer in the affirmative na 100%. I'm not sure. Pero maybe Because dali naman yun. Marami silang mga abogado sa paligid nila. I'm sure they're being briefed every now and then.
Mm.
Kaya lang,
Ah,
mas importante yung pagka, let's say, you're either majority leader or you're the presiding officer, you must be well briefed on how to conduct the impeachment court. Conduct lang naman eh. Hindi ikaw ang judge, ah. You must remember na ganun eh. Ang judge yung buong impeachment court.
yes, sir. Sir, and lastly, yung kay PBBM, mukhang virtually, mukhang nabasura na talaga yun, pagbobotohan na lang sa plenary. Pero itong kay VP Sara, sinasabi, maraming nagsasabi na baka ito yung pumanik talaga sa Senado. So kung ang matuloy lang po yung kay VP Sara, wala na po yung nabanggit nyo syempre na MWF or TTHS, talagang every hapon, yun ang magiging schedule ng impeachment.
O basta nagkaroon ng impeachment na karating sa amin, ang isasuggest ko sa aming mga kasama na I'm sure papayag naman sila is pag umaga, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, ang Senate legislative work, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Ganun din naman yung Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday namin talaga. And then most probably, I will suggest that we do Monday to Friday from 3 p.m. up sa impeachment court. Di pwedeng patagalin yan. Kailangan niya as soon as possible, the fastest way possible.
Sir, sa
Unfair
time,
to, unfair to the public and unfair to the person being charged.